So check it out. Here's another one of my compulsive eBay buys for 20 bucks. I got this Marx 21 diesel, a powered unit. It was sold for parts, but all the parts were there. The motor wasn't in it, but it was available. So the only thing I noticed was there was a jumper wire that somebody had put from the pickup shoe to the E unit. It was bare, so first thing I did was fix that, and then I cleaned everything up. I polished the wheels, oiled the motor, and got it running pretty good. These things always amaze me how big they are, and they're heavy, so they're really good pullers. They're good runners. I have another one too. The reason I grabbed this one though was I had a really nice dummy unit, and this one matched it really well. It's kind of hard to match them up, but they're a pretty close match now. And I just had to put new horns on it, and so it's all set to go. So we're going to take it for a spin, and I've got my other one too with a little work train. So here we go. E-unit cycles good. I love how bright the lights are on Marx accessories, especially those searchlights. They really shine right out. Adjust the camera a little bit so you can see the second train a little better. Okay, so they both run really good. It's probably the only true O-scale locomotive that Marx ever made, as big as they are. But they're really cool. If you can get one, then certainly you'll want to add them to your collection. Maybe a little difficult to find a really nice matching set, but I've been able to do two of them. So thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.